Maybe you didn't know about me. Boy, I've been changed. Been born again and I ain't never been the same. You ain't know about that. I'm too bad. Boy, got saved and I got a new swag. Maybe you didn't know about me. I'm on a new team. Living holy, so fresh, so clean. You ain't know about that. I'm on that new life. Sipping that spirit that'll get you so right. You ain't know maybe you didn't know that I rock Christ in my life when I spit the flow. That I rock nice on the mic with the lyrical. Boy, I rock right so they might get the spiritual. So we rock hype cause we like to get silly, yo. We make it dumb hot. Boy, we get it poppin', sounding like some gunshots. See them haters watching, they think we on that rum knot. We be on that Jesus stuff, it leaves them marked like sunspots.
Okay, you guys, I just got this card in the mail. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just not getting home from my procedure and I'm still loopy, but I know exactly who it's from. But when I first got it, I'm like, what is this? Who is this? And so I looked at the city and state and I was like, oh, okay, I know exactly where this from. Hold on, let me put my camera down, then I'm gonna open it. It's a great card from my dear friend and sister, girl Christopher. So thank you so much. I'm not going to read it, but I'm going to sit it in my living room on one of the end tables. So thank you so much, girl Christopher. I appreciate that, and I'll be talking with y'all later. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to show you myself, but happy Saturday. The reason I'm not going to show you myself because I don't have on a shirt, and I don't want to scare you all. But anyway, I made supper today. I fried some chicken and then I barbecued it. I love it this way. My goodness, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I made some Cyberlink rice there, so that is for Sunday dinner. That is for Sunday dinner, and what I'm gonna do is probably add some greens to it, some kind of green to it. I'll put that for leftovers for me for tomorrow, and I have some frozen collard greens in here somewhere. I think these are it right there. Frozen collard greens. I'll probably cook those on tomorrow and whatever, but I need to clean out my refrigerator. My refrigerator is so completely full, and that's leftovers that I need to put up. Hold on, I'll sit there for a second to see the side of that. Oh, and I'm glad y'all are in my refrigerator. I'm glad y'all are in it. Oh, you know what? I got a cabbage here. I'm gonna peel that cabbage head off, and I'll probably make some fresh cabbage tomorrow. But y'all, this milk, hey, hey. This is some good milk. I love this milk. I need to start back getting. I used to get it all the time, but I'm gonna start back getting that milk. And just a refrigerator shout out. My Joe Tropicana fruit that I like to snack on periodically. But anyway, that's that, you guys. I'm out of here. Know that I love you all for real, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Peace. Family, what's going on? It has been a hot minute since I've vlogged with you all. Sorry about all this. Yeah, I am preparing for service this evening. We got our 4th night of Holy Week services. Well, actually, it's 6 days. The 5 Monday through Friday, then sunrise service on Sunday. But that, I'm not going to that one. For one, I don't drive, and two, that's too early. It's too early. Well, it's not really too early, but just mainly I don't drive. That's the only reason why I don't go to them. But yeah, we got at our church we're hosting the actual worship services Monday through Friday, and today is Thursday, and today's communion. We're doing communion on tonight, and with me being part of the diaconate at the church, we have to, my pastor assigned all of the diaconates to help with communion. So here's my get up, this red tie, black pants, and white shirt, and my shoes. I don't know if you can see my shoes. Yeah, black shoes. But anyway, that's it. I wanted to jump in because I would not have had anything for you all on next week. So I'm gonna just add this to this vlog. It's probably a mix-up vlog or whatever. I don't even know what I'm gonna name it. But anyway, yes. But I'll talk to y'all later. Know that I love you for real, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Good morning, YouTube. How are you all? It is Friday, March the 25th, I believe it is. Last day of the week. I think I get off work early on today, and I'm headed to work. I'm running behind this one reason being because it took me a long time. It took me a good while to find my glasses. So now I'm headed to work. It might be about 5 minutes later, so but anyway, headed to work this morning, and last day of the work week this week, and the last day of Holy Week services. They do have sunrise service on Sunday, but our church is not hosting it. I know some of our church members is going, but you know, I won't be going. But that's one of the reasons. I don't know my train of thought, but anyway, yeah. So, yeah, I know what I was gonna say. That's one of the reasons why I really hadn't been vlogging much, because of Holy Week, and every day's been the same. Come home from work, go to church. As long as I've been at home all week, it's about maybe 4 hours. And then come home, get home about around 9:30. Sorry, you can't see me. Get home about around 9:30 and 10 o'clock. And that's that. I haven't watched no TV and nothing after church service. But yeah, let me vlog. Let me turn off this camera. Get headed up the street, meditating. Think about all I need to get done today. Now, I'll let y'all later. Hopefully, I should be out of work by 1 o'clock or so. I'll talk with you. I don't know if y'all been in the camera now, but anyway, I hope y'all heard me. Peace. Hold on, y'all. I'm looking for some. Hold on, guys. They sound like JJ, don't it? Low son. Come on, leave me alone, dang. Oh my goodness, y'all. My nephew have me hollering every time he say that daggone dang. I am, leave me alone, dang. Anyway, what's going on, you guys? What's happening? I need to take out the trash before I go to church. But I'm getting myself together for church. As you can see, tonight is the last night of Holy Week. I got on my black shoes, black pants, red shirt, and my cap here. Alright? I'll be talking to y'all later. Just want to stop in. Alright? Peace. Oh yeah, by the way, yesterday's Cooking with Soul video. Y'all know it was just a simple baked spaghetti, but the ingredients I used was special. I didn't use a regular. There's my van. I didn't use a regular pizza sauce. I use Litos. But I'm about to go. I gotta hang that up, and I'll just talk to y'all later. Alright, peace. I'll walk with y'all outside. Y'all walking me outside. Shit, let me get my jacket. It might be cold in church tonight. Good morning. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Good morning, my peoples. Hope y'all are well. I know it's been a while since y'all seen any vlogs from me, but I'm somewhat back. I think I need to take another week, but I don't want to lose focus. I don't want to lose focus, and I don't want to lose my passion for vlogging, because I tell y'all, it's about to do me in. But yeah, today is Wednesday, March the 30th, 2016. I don't have much. Y'all just saw me walking, getting ready for church in this vlog. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that cooking with soul video on Monday. This is a restart of the season. It's a midweek season. I usually do a mid-season break every season or whatever on both channels. I just feel I need to take another week. I'm at work, y'all. I'm at work, so let me get here and get going. I woke up a few minutes late, and so that's that. But yeah, I'll be hitting y'all a little later on today, and that's all we're gonna be doing today. It's nothing. It's just chilling. That's all what we're gonna do on this vlog. But I gotta work and get some things going for today. So I'll be talking with y'all later. Alright? Peace. Turn my copy. Throw this back away. And I'm out.
Boy got saved and I got a new swag. You didn't know about me. I'm on a new team. Living holy, so fresh, so clean. You ain't know what